Hey guys, in this video, we'll bring an awesome bike for you. Let's check it out. LCD display with 5 levels will let you know everything you need to know. We've got the headlight here, this thing is awesome. Dual suspension system which ensures comfort of riding under any complex cycling conditions. Dual 48-volt 20Ah batteries to ensure a long lifespan and excellent performance. It's got a 750-watt rear hub motor from Bafang. We have different version of this retro long seat bike, such as dual batteries, dual motors, single battery, and motor. We can also add rear mirrors turn signals on this bike. The MOQ of this item is only one piece, and OEM orders are welcome. That's it for today's overview. Thank you for watching. If you find our videos useful, don't forget to subscribe to us.